everyone, this is Shahid Mahmood, and today I am going to talk about the Microsoft Word. This is a very basic software application that is used is everywhere almost in daily life, in colleges, school, or in offices. So we should be familiar with this application. So in the very first lecture I will going to talk about the two commands. The first one is save as, and the print command. So the later video I will go through all the section: home, insert, design, layout, referencing, mailing, review, help, and grammar, and all these sections. So let's start with the first command. How can we save the document? If you create a document, let's say we create a document with the sentence is a table. So let's see this. How can we save this document? We can use two ways to save this document. The first way is use the shortcut key, which is Control plus S. If you use both key together, your file will save. And the second way to save the file is you need to go to the file menu, and in file menu scroll down and you can found the save command. Here when you click on a save, your document will be automatically saved. If you open the document first time, when you click on the save command, the computer will ask you where you want to save your file. The second command I am going to talk about is the save as. Why we use save as? We want to copy this file with another name, and we want to have another file with the same content. So how can we do this? Go to the file menu and click on a save as button, and then here you can see where we want to save. Let's say I want to save on my desktop, and then click on desktop, and from which name you want to save, that is ASDFGH. This is the name that I want to use. Save, and my file is saved with that name. You can see the name of the file is written here. The last command that I want to talk about is print. How to use print command? When we want to print this soft document into a hard file. So for this purpose we should have to attach a printer with our PC or laptop. So I don't have a printer, but if you have a printer, go to the printer and click on a print here, and your printer name will be shown here, and then print the document. You will get a print. Then another way why we use print this command, to convert Office file Microsoft Word to PDF format. Here you can see I don't have document but printer attached with my laptop, but I can convert the Office into PDF format. And then we have print. When you click on a print, you will see the new window will be open up, and you can save your new PDF file with the name you want, and then save. Thank you for watching this video. I will come again in next video and going to talk about another command. Thank you for watching.